friends, today's spotlight falls on a true legend, the Ferrari F40. This isn't just a car, it's a purebred symbol of raw speed and 80s supercar glory. Born to celebrate Ferrari's 40th anniversary and signed off by Enzo Ferrari himself, the F40 was the last model he personally approved. Dressed in iconic Rosso Corsa red, with sharp lines and an aggressive stance, this machine was built with one goal: to dominate the road and track. From the front, the F40's pop-up headlights and low, wide grille speak the universal language of speed. Massive air intakes and functional vents cut through the clean design, leaving no room for unnecessary luxury. This car means business. At the rear, the F40 shows its race-bred soul. Circular taillights, dual exhausts, and that unmistakable rear wing make it instantly recognizable. Exposed carbon fiber hints peek beneath the paint, reminding you this beast was built for lightweight performance. From the side, the car's wedge profile, flared arches, and staggered wheels shout aggression. It's a car that doesn't beg for attention. It demands it. Step inside and you'll find pure minimalism. Fixed back racing seats, visible rivets, a gated shifter, and no digital displays. This is driving in its rawest, most authentic form. Under the rear hatch, a fire-breathing 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 478 horsepower. Lightweight and brutally fast, it's an experience few modern cars can match. The sound? Pure mechanical violence. On the road, the F40 turns heads, stops conversations, and leaves lasting memories. A legend that still rules streets and hearts. Like what you see? Hit follow, drop a like, and tell us which icon you want to see next. Let's ride.